The big news today will be coming in from Wayanad in Kerala. We know that the sitting MP, Rahul Gandhi, filed his nomination in Wayanad yesterday and today. Smriti Irani is now going to be in South in the same constituency of Rahul Gandhi to campaign and support K. Surendran from the BJP. Smriti Irani, remember, is also Rahul Gandhi's Amethi nemesis in many ways. She's the one who had beaten him and had got the Amethi constituency. She will be in Wayanad for K. Surendran, who will file his nomination papers today. Unexpectedly, she'll be taking on, very likely as we expect, on Gandhi family and specifically Rahul Gandhi ahead of 2024 Lok Sabha elections. BJP and Smriti Irani have kept the pressure on Rahul Gandhi over Wayanad and clearly do not want it to be a cakewalk for him, because previously Rahul Gandhi had won with the maximum margin of over 4 lakh votes in Wayanad in Kerala. In a state where the fight is mostly between Congress-led UDF and CPM-led LDF, Rahul Gandhi will now also face a BJP bigwig. He's the state president of the BJP unit, K. Surendran. This remains to be seen if there will be a parallel that she will draw to Amethi's electoral dynamics. Smriti Irani insinuated that the choice could jeopardize Wayanad interest too. She's challenging his confidence by suggesting to contest only from Amethi under the Congress banner rather than take a safe seat of Wayanad.
So, unlike 2019 was all about Rahul Gandhi's candidates. This time it's more of a political fight. Rahul Gandhi, the 5 years MP, is also being evaluated. You have CPI's Annie Raja also on the other side. How are you approaching this contest?
It's a big mockery. I never heard such news. Yesterday I saw the big picture of D. Raja and Rahul Gandhi in all the dailies, news, even in news channels also. D. Raja is hugging Rahul Gandhi in Delhi. Hugging in Delhi and fighting in Wayanad. How can it possible? This is the question. No, I never seen that. Mrs. Annie Raja has requested 1 week back, Rahul ji, please don't come here. We are good friends. We are the integral part of the IND alliance. Why we are fighting each other? An opponent, candidate itself asking. Yesterday, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan also asking Rahul Gandhi, why you are coming to Kerala? So the mockery and the irrelevance of the LDF, UDF fight is... So people know, people are not fools, na. Maybe we are poor, we are downtrodden, we are Janjati Samaj, but we are not fools. We will understand what is happening in Wayanad, what is happening in all over India. So this time, जो अमेठी के लोग 2019 में किया ना, वो वही करेगा हमारा वायनाड के लोग इस बार.